Hello children, I hope you all are in a very good health and are safely staying at home. Children, this is your Anita teacher back again with a new subject and a new topic. Children, today we are going to do an activity. Yes, today is the activity class, and in activity class we are going to make some faces, some animal faces. I'll give you a hint. Let me see if you can guess. Now these are pet animals, okay? One who guards our house. Yes, one who guards our house. This animal is called as a faithful animal. Yes, you guessed it right. It's a dog. Very good. And one more animal face we are going to do today. Now this one is also a pet animal. And it has fur on it. Yes, it likes to eat mouse. Yes, you are right. Somebody guessed it. Yes, it's a cat. Very good. So children, today we are going to make dog face and cat face. Okay? But we are not going to cut anything. No. We are going to make the faces by paper folding. Yes. Today's activity is a craft activity. Paper folding activity. I'll teach you how to make dog face and cat face. Come on children, get ready with the materials as I'm telling you. Let's begin. Craft activity. Paper folding a dog face. Materials required: craft book, pencil, crayons any color, one craft paper or marble paper of any color, two small circles cut out in white for eyes, black marker pen or crayon, fevistick or glue. Your craft book, pencil, fevistick, marker pen or sketch pen, crayons of any color, marble paper or craft paper, and two eyes cut out. Now take the marble paper and flip it over this way. Okay, now this point should touch this point. Okay, so we are going to make a triangle shape this way. Place it properly, point to point. So we got a triangle shape. Now children, just turn it upside down this way, and here on the sides we are going to fold this paper in a slanting way for the ears. Okay, in a slanting way, not in a straight way but in a slanting way. The corners in a slanting way, this way. Okay, this way you have to fold it. The same way you are going to do on the other side also. Okay, the corners, take the corner and fold it in a slanting way. Slanting way, this way. You can see how it is shown. Very easy children. Okay. Now these are the ears. Okay, we are done with the ears. Now we will be taking this corner and placing it upwards. Okay, you can see one more triangle shape formed. Okay, so this much is done. Now you have to apply the glue. Okay, the ears, apply the glue or Fevistick. You can see this is open over here, so just stick it, apply some Fevistick and stick it, and then you have to stick the triangle also. Okay, so your outline, so your face is done. Okay, now we are going to do the detailing of the eyes and nose. So take the cutouts of the eyes, small circles. This way we are going to place it. You can see how it is placed. Okay, 2 eyes for the dog. Okay, this is the way you are going to place it. Okay, so apply some glue and stick the eyes. Okay, now eyes are done. Now take the marker pen or this black sketch pen if you have, and shade the eyes, color the eyes this way in black color. Okay, color it in black color. Same way you are going to do to the other eye also. So this way you are going to shade it or color it. Now children, for the nose of the dog, okay, the tip of the triangle, okay, draw a sleeping line over there and then shade it. Okay, shade that small triangle which has been formed. Okay, first draw the outline for it and then shade it. So we are done with the eyes and the nose. Okay, so this is the face of the dog. Now keep it aside. Okay, now take your craft book, write down today's date. Write down today's date and write the heading. Write down the heading, leave 2 finger space and write the heading after the date. Capital cursive letter P, A, P, E, R, paper. Folding, F, O, L, D, I, N, G, folding. Put a small hyphen. What we are making, children? Yes, a dog face. So capital cursive letter A, leave 1 finger space, D-O-G, dog. Leave 1 finger space, F-A-C-E, face. This is our heading. Paper folding, A dog face. Now, the dog face which is ready with us, we are going to stick over here. Okay, this way we are going to stick it. So apply some glue at the back of the face. Okay, at the back side we have to apply some glue this way. Applying just at the edges is enough, children. Don't use too much of glue if you are using Fevicol. Okay, drop is enough. A Fevistick, just apply it at the edges. This way we are going to paste it. Okay, so we have pasted the face. Now we are going to make the body. Yes, simple. It's very easy drawing, children, not very hard. But before that, we'll make the mouth. Okay, so 1 standing line. Okay, and a curve on both the side. 1 on the left and 1 on the right. Okay, now we'll make the body. Okay, it's very simple. Just we have to draw a triangle. Take any color crayon, okay, whichever color is available with you. Here I have taken orange color. Make slanting lines, okay, that means we are making a triangle. Yes, and then inside the triangle we are making two standing lines this way. Leave some gap, again make two standing lines. These are the legs and a tail. Yes, this is a tail. Okay, give a proper outline, highlight it properly, and then we have to color it inside. Okay, fill in the color inside, children. See that you don't go out of the line. Color it very neatly. This way you have to color the body. Okay, simple drawing, easy drawing, isn't it, children? Okay, just highlight the borders and the legs so it's clearly visible. This way, just highlight it. Okay, now our dog is ready. Okay, now we'll make something for him. Okay, this is his dish. Okay, now let's make a bowl for him. And in that bowl, what does the dog like? Yes, can you guess? It's very easy. Write a 3 this way on top. Same line on below also you have to write the 3 shape this way, reverse 3 shape. Okay, now what we are going to do? Yes, we are going to join it with a slanting line this way. Very good. So what is this? Yes, it's a bone. You can color the bowl. Okay, any color you can use, children, any color of your choice. So this way we have made his favorite dish also. Yes, so the dog and the bone is ready. Well done, children, very good. Now children, let's make cat face. Okay, another activity, paper folding a cat face. Materials required the same way as we had done for the dog. Same materials, craft book, glue, crayons, marble paper or craft paper, sketch pen, eyes cut out. Okay, now take the marble paper, flip it over, okay, to the white side. Now same way we are going to join the 2 points this way. Okay, and make a shape of a triangle. Yes, we got a shape of a triangle. Now children, flip it over, okay, upside down. Now we want a line over here, okay, for the guidance. So we are going to join the 2 points, this point and this point, okay, and one more triangle is formed. Okay, press it firmly to get a crease. Yes, you got a line over here, isn't it? So now what you are going to do, this point and this point you have to join it, this point and this point. Okay, come on, let's fold it. Keep your index finger over here, okay, and use your other hand to make the shape. You can see one more triangle shape is formed. The same way you are going to do the other side also, this way. Okay, now children, what we are going to do is we are going to make one more fold in a slanting way. Okay, in a slanting way. Okay, see that you don't fold near the point, little bit down, and in a slanting way. Okay, fold it in a slight slanting way. Okay, this way. Can you see? We are making the ears of the cat. The same way we are going to do on the other side also. Okay, so remember not to fold on the point. Okay, leave little bit space. Yeah, don't fold on the point itself, little bit down. Slant it in a slanting way, fold it. Can see both the ears are equal. Okay, then firmly press it. Okay, so now we got the ears. Okay, now you can see the shape. Yes children, slanting way. Now below this part we are going to fold it. Okay, two sides are there. Can you see? Open side. So the open side, one side you are going to fold it this way. Okay, you can see one more triangle shape is formed. As well as the top part also you are going to fold it children, this way. See, we get a point, so till that point we are going to fold it. Okay, you will see you will get one more triangle shape. This way we are going to fold it. Yeah, once the folding is done, what you are going to do is, see, this way the folding is done. Watch this carefully. One fold, yes, the mouth, the head and the ears. Now flip it over children. See, this is the shape you get. This is the shape you get. Now this part, okay, the bottom part, again turn it over and you can see one more triangle is been formed. Okay, this part. Okay, now this much, the tip of it, you have to fold it. Just the tip of it. This way. Okay. So almost the face of the cat is done. Yes. Then we will be sticking the eyes and we'll be drawing the whiskers also. Now flip it over. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to stick the parts which are open. Okay, the folded parts we are going to stick it. Okay, now before that we'll write date and then the heading PAPER, paper, folding, a small hyphen and write A, cat face, A capital cursive letter A, CAT, cat, FACE, face. Now children, let's stick the face. Okay, we have to stick it over here. So before that we are going to stick the open parts. Okay, in the front you can see the triangles which are open, the tip. Okay, this is the nose. Now flip it over. All these open parts you are going to stick it. Okay, one over here, the ears. Okay, open it, apply some glue and fold it back. As I told you before also, little bit glue is enough children. This part also, the top part. Okay, at the back you can see this is the way it looks. Apply the glue all over now. All over. At the back side, apply the glue all over. Okay, now flip it over and stick it this way. Yes. Now one more part is open. Now here the eyes will come. Okay, now take the cutouts of the eyes, stick it, apply some glue and stick it. So once the sticking of the eyes is done, okay, now take your marker pen or your sketch pen and draw a circle inside it this way. For both the eyes, draw the circle inside it and shade that circle, color that circle in black. Yes, you can see it looks like googly eyes, isn't it? So you don't have to buy it, you can just do it this way. Okay, cut out of a circle in white and then make a circle in black inside it. So the eyes are done. Now this part is open, children, so apply the glue. Now the mouth, okay, one standing line below the tip, one standing line, make a curve this way just like J. On the other side also take a curve this way. Now we'll make some dots, 3 dots I'm making over here. The other side also same way, 3 dots. And now we'll draw some whiskers, okay, slanting lines, sleeping line, slanting line. The other side also make it little bit darker. The other side also slanting line, sleeping line, slanting line. Okay, so the face of the cat is ready. Okay, now we are going, below that we are going to draw the body. So make a oval shape, children, oval shape with your crayon, any color crayon you can take, any color of your choice, and make a tail this way in a wave. Yes, wave line. Now draw 2 standing lines this way, leave some space, again draw 2 standing lines. Okay, now we'll color it. Okay, we'll fill in the color. See that you don't go out of the line. First color the borders, okay, so that you don't go out of the line. Just highlight the legs and the border, okay, the shape, oval shape, and the tail. This way you can double it. Yes, see, easy drawing, isn't it, children? Very easily it can be drawn by you. Let's make a bowl for the cat also. Okay, so take your crayon, any color crayon you can take. Here I have taken black crayon. Okay, draw a bowl for the cat. Now what does cat like? Cat likes to eat fish, isn't it? Cat eats fish also. So let's make a fish for the cat. Fish in the bowl. Okay, just shade it, color it very lightly this way. Here, and children, this is your cat ready with her favorite dish, the fish. Well done, children. So children, did you enjoy this activity? What did we learn today? Yes, we learned in craft activity, by paper folding we can make face of a dog and a face of a cat. Isn't it fantastic? Yes? So that's a new thing you learned. Very good. So children, I'll see you in the next video with a new subject and a new topic. Take care of yourself. Bye for now. See you soon.